If Valorant voice chat is not working for you, don't worry, this usually happens because of incorrect Windows or in-game audio settings. In this video, I'll show you the quick fixes to get your mic working again. Let's start. Step 1. Check Windows microphone input. Click the volume icon, then all sound settings, then system, then sound. Under input, select your correct microphone and make sure the volume bar is moving when you speak. Step 2. Make sure mic is not muted. Confirm the microphone volume is turned up and not muted. If there's no movement, check the cable or reconnect the mic. Step 3. Set mic correctly in Valorant. Open Valorant, then settings, then audio, then voice chat. Set both input device and output device to the correct microphone and headset. Step 4. Adjust mic settings. Increase mic volume and adjust mic sensitivity threshold so teammates can hear you clearly. Enable party voice chat if you're playing with friends.